It's tool time giveaway again. Yes, I want to give away this drill. It's an 18 volt Ryobi. Let's take a quick look at this. You don't see cases like this anymore. This was my personal and is my personal Ryobi. Okay, 18 volt, and it comes with 2 batteries. Funny thing is, one of the batteries does not work anymore. And my battery charger doesn't fit in the pocket where the old battery charger used to fit. What did I have to do? I had to buy a new battery charger to work these types of batteries. And that's one of the things, one of the reasons why I'm giving this away. But why else am I giving this away? I am giving this away because next time I need to do a series. Guess what I'm going to do? Just for you. You wait for it, wait for it. You're going to like this. What do you suppose I'm going to say? Yes, next time I do a service call or I do a project, I'm going to buy brand new tools. And guess what I'm going to do when I get done with that project? With those tools, I'm going to give them away on my YouTube channel. Yes, I am going to do that every single time from now on. Starting, I have to get rid of this one here. Okay, Ryobi 18 volt. This sucker works really good. You need an 18 volt, okay? And it's really geared properly, it's balanced properly. You can set it down like that. There's a magnet here to hold different things. There's also a couple up here. There's even a level up there, high, low, medium. And then there's a screw action here too. You can take this chuck. Actually, did you know this? You can turn this. This goes up to 24 and then screw. Okay? I can hold this here. Hear that? Hear that chuck go? Now I can make it tighter. Now it's tighter. Or I can make it all the way to screw. And usually I do it right before that. And that's how that works. I bet you never knew that before. Okay, and the flashlight. This flashlight works good. You can set that down. You can twist this up and all that. Like I said, this battery doesn't work, but I leave it in here anyways to remind me I need to get another battery. But I don't now because I'm giving this away, and if you're the lucky winner, you can buy yourself a battery. You can buy a 2-pack, keep one, and then when this battery goes out, you've got another 2-pack. Okay? You can do something like that. And the battery charger is almost brand spanking new. And if you're lucky, I might give you all my little accessory drill bits, and I've even got a reamer bit in here, and I've got some other little knickknacks in there. I think I might give that away too. I'm not quite sure yet. This could be yours if you're the lucky winner. How do you win this? All you have to be is a subscriber of mine. YouTube channel, Video Joe Knows. And this sucker could be yours. Okay? Subscribe, tell me, hey Joe, I want your old Ryobi drill combination and it can be yours. If you're the lucky winner. Hey, well, that's all I got for this time, but stick around. I've got some exciting videos for you, and you know what? I'm always going to be giving away tools. If you've been watching my channel, just recently I said I'm going to give away a tool once per month. Hold me to that, will you? Hey, and if you want this, tell me. Don't lollygag around thinking it's going to be forever before I give this tool away. Okay, this tool combination. Because I'm here in Maui, and I'm only going to be here for a couple more weeks, and I want to send this to the lucky winner before I go back to the mainland. Okay? Send me a comment and join this tool contest. I hope you're the winner. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.